In the fast-moving world of news, it's easy to miss the meaning between the lines. That's where we come in. Each episode, we take real headlines from Newsline Philippines and let AI break them down. Not just the what, but the why it matters.
Good morning and welcome to Newsline Philippines. Today's discussion centers around a pretty big appointment shaking things up at the Philippine Supreme Court.
Right, the appointment of Raul Villanueva has caused quite a stir, hasn't it?
It really has. Lots of people are speculating about what this means for future rulings.
Yeah, and his background's pretty interesting. He brings a unique perspective to the court.
Exactly. Let's dive in and see what this all means for the country's legal scene. So let's start with the basics. Who is Raul Villanueva and what's his legal background?
Villanueva has a long career, both in private practice and public service. He's known for his expertise in constitutional law and human rights.
His human rights experience is really important given the current situation. What kind of impact do you think this will have on the court's decisions?
It could mean a more careful approach to cases involving human rights violations. His presence might change things up on certain issues.
Do you think this appointment shows a change in the court's overall direction?
It's too early to say for sure, but it definitely suggests a possible shift in focus. We'll have to wait and see.
Okay, let's talk about how the public feels about this appointment. What's the general vibe?
Well, there's a mix of opinions, of course. Some people are happy with the choice, pointing to Villanueva's qualifications. Others have concerns, questioning possible biases.
Social media has been pretty lively, hasn't it?
Absolutely. It's a really divisive issue with strong feelings on both sides.
Looking ahead, what are some key cases where Villanueva's presence might be most noticeable?
Cases involving human rights, constitutional challenges, and maybe even some with international implications could be really affected.
His expertise could change how the court interprets existing laws, right?
Exactly. His legal philosophy and how he approaches things will definitely play a role.
Let's do a few quick questions. When's Villanueva's official swearing in?
That info should be public soon. News outlets are reporting on it.
And what about how Supreme Court justices are chosen in the Philippines? Is it a transparent process?
It's a complicated process with several steps, but transparency is always a topic of debate.
This appointment is a big deal for the Philippine legal system.
It's a developing story, and we'll be keeping a close eye on it.
That was a great discussion. Thanks for being here.